Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see another interesting SQL question. So this time we have a table named folders or workspace, and you have a column workspace ID and folder path. And if you see, you have a single workspace ID, and for every workspace ID you have whatever folders are present, those folder paths are present. So A/B/C, A/D, A/E and all. So this is the output. You have to add one more column called value. So this value, if you see, it's 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1 and all. So just by seeing the output, if you are able to understand what the logic is, you can write the SQL query on your own and try to write the SQL query. But if you are not understanding what the logic is or what the question is, please watch this video till the end so that you can understand what the question is and how we will solve using SQL. So let's go back to SQL Server Studio and see how to solve this using SQL. So as discussed earlier, this is the input. You have the workspace ID and folder path. So if you see, you have in the output, you need to add one more column called value. So that value is nothing but the number of subfolders inside present in the folder path. So value is number of subfolders. So that means, so if you see A/B/C, so there are three folder paths, three folders. So A, B and C. So now using SQL, we have to count the number of folders. So here it is 3, here it is 2, 2, 3, 3, here A and there, A are there. So 3 folders are there. So 3 we have to print, B is there only 1, and here A, B, C, D is there, so 4. So how do we do this using SQL? So there is an inbuilt function called string_split. Okay, so string_split, what happens, it takes an input, a particular string as an input. So how it works, let's see. So select string_split of, okay, it's not like this. So it's select value from string_split. So here, let's, for example, let's keep A/B/C/D. Okay, and how do you want to split the string? Using this slash. So using this slash will split. So what happens, this string split function, it will split this entire string based on this delimiter value. So it will give you 4 rows with A, B, C and D. So now let's see what we are getting here. So we are getting A, B, C and D. So basically this function returns an output called value, and this value has the number of rows based on the input of the string. Okay, so now using this concept, we will have to break each and every value into the count. So how do we do that? So simply select from workspace. So here it is star. So basically here, since we want A/B/C, here the count should be 3, right? So once we get this value, we'll do the count of this value, okay, count of this value column. Then once you perform the count, you'll get the required number of subfolders inside this. Okay, so how do we do that? Since this particular function returns a value as a output, so we cannot directly use the string split in the column. So this does not work. So string split like this. So if you try to pass the parameter here, or if you try to pass the column folder path, it will not give you, it will give you an error. You cannot directly use the function inside the columns. You should not use the function in the select star. So instead, what you have to do, you have to use the cross apply function. So cross apply. So if you don't know what cross apply is nothing. It's almost is same as inner join only. But you know, in inner join, you join 2 tables, but in cross apply, you join a table with a function. So on the left side of the join, it's a table, and on the right side, it is a function. So whenever you want to solve these kind of scenarios, you need to use cross apply. So let's see how to use the cross apply here. So select from workspace as a cross apply string split. So what I'll do, I'll just copy the string split, and here it is a dot folder path. So what we need to do is, in the table which you're using, on the left hand side, one of the columns you have to pass that as a parameter to this function in the right side of the cross apply. Okay, so in the left side of the table you will return these two columns, workspace ID and folder path. Okay, so here on the right hand side you will return a value called, you will return a column called value. So here it is a dot, let's use select star. Okay, so once you use select star, let's see what we are getting. So if you see for A, B, C, you are getting 3 rows with values A, B and C. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just use folder path comma count of value as folder count. Okay, and here I will use group by folder path. Okay, so once I use this, directly you will get what is the count of the folder inside the folder path. So here it is A and A, 3 we are getting, and also here all are 3 we are getting, and here it is A, B, C and D we are getting 4, and A, D and AE we are getting 2, B and C 1, C, D, E 3. So this is how we will calculate the number of folders present in the folder path. So here the main concept is you need to understand string split function, and the next main concept is how to use the cross apply. So these two are the main topics which I plan to cover in this video. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and also click on subscribe button if you want to watch more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.